September. When everyone else is buying decorative pumpkins, you're planting real food like an underground garden rebel. Forget PSLs and fall flannels. This is planting season, baby. Let's talk what to plant in September, how to do it right, and what rookie mistakes to absolutely avoid. Oh, and we're bringing jokes, dirt, and leafy drama. Plus, if you haven't tried our AI gardening app yet, you are gardening on hard mode. It's like a weatherproof, zone-specific, sarcastic little gardening coach that lives in your pocket. Get it for free at stronggecho.com. Let's get into what to plant in September. Spinach, the cool weather queen. Why plant spinach in September? Because spinach is the drama-free diva of cool season greens. When everything else is crying about frost, spinach is thriving like it just got promoted. September soil's still warm enough to help it sprout fast, and cooler temps keep it from bolting like a toddler on sugar. Pro tips: pre-soak seeds overnight. It's like giving them a pep talk. Sow directly into well-draining soil. This is not a potting soil kind of diva. Space seeds 2 to 4 inches apart, rows 12 inches apart. She needs her elbow room. Mistakes to avoid: planting too deep. Half an inch max. This isn't a time capsule. Too much nitrogen. You'll get massive leaves and zero flavor. Basically lettuce in a costume. Fun fact: cold weather sweetens spinach. It's nature's salad dressing. Radishes, the overachiever. Why plant radishes in September? Because these spicy little legends love a fall sprint. The soil's warm, the sun's mild, and radishes don't care about your seasonal drama. You'll go from "I planted seeds" to "I'm harvesting" in 25 days flat, which is faster than some people reply to texts. Radishes grow faster than your last situationship ended. Pro tips: plant in shallow rows, 1/2 inch deep, 1 inch apart. Do succession planting every week for endless crunchy snacks. Full sun, then spicy radishes. Partial shade equals milder flavor. Mistakes to avoid: overcrowding. They'll get leggy, tangled, and bitter. Like a soap opera root vegetable. Letting them sit too long. They go from crisp to woody, like overnight. Don't ghost your radishes. Harvest hack: if the top sticks out and looks like a little red button, it's ready. Push it. Boom. Harvest mode. Garlic, the long game legend. Why plant garlic in September? Because garlic is a fall classic, like horror movies and bad costume decisions. It needs the cold to form big, flavorful bulbs. You plant now, let it nap through winter, and harvest next summer like a total genius. Garlic is the garden's trust fund baby. You plant it in fall, forget about it, and in 8 months, bam, full flavor empire. Pro tips: use seed garlic, not store garlic that's been sprayed with don't grow juice. Split the bulb into cloves. Pointy side up. Always. Plant 2 inches deep, 6 inches apart in well-drained soil. Mistakes to avoid: harvesting too early. Garlic needs the winter to get good, like cheese or revenge. Skipping mulch. Garlic loves a warm blanket. No mulch, eat sad clothes. Fun fact: garlic, planted now, will be 10x more flavorful than anything you can buy. It's the original slow cooker meal. Carrots. Sweet roots, no drama. Why plant carrots in September? Because carrots love sweater weather. When the temps drop, the sugars go up, turning basic carrots into sweet, juicy treats that make you feel like a farm-to-table wizard. Plus, no pests. Bugs are done for the year. It's carrot time, baby. Fall carrots equals sugar sticks from the earth. Cooler temps mean higher sugar content. It's like your garden is handing out candy for free. Pro tips: loose, rock-free soil, icks long, elegant carrots. Keep soil moist until germination, which takes forever. Carrots are dramatic like that. Thin them once they sprout, or you'll get carrot clusters with serious identity issues. Mistakes to avoid: planting too close together. They'll stunt each other like jealous siblings. Letting them dry out. One dry day, you know, weird shapes that'll make your harvest PG-13. Pro tip: use a board or burlap to cover the soil after planting. Keeps moisture in, keeps birds confused. Lettuce, the salad that won't quit. Why plant lettuce in September? Because lettuce in summer is a total diva. Bolts in the heat, tastes bitter, throws shade. But in fall, lettuce is chill, crisp, and thriving. Plant it in September, and you'll be making garden-fresh salads while everyone else is microwave dining their way into winter. Lettuce is the friend that shows up even when it's cold, raining, and nobody invited it. And we love it for that. Pro tips: choose cool season varieties. Romaine, butterhead, oak leaf. So shallowly, like you're just barely tucking it in for bed. Water at the base to avoid rot and fungal party crashers. Mistakes to avoid. Full sun in warm zones. Lettuce melts faster than cheap chocolate. Partial shade, people. Neglecting spacing. Crowded lettuce gets bitter, leggy, and honestly, kind of rude. Fun hack. Mix colors and textures. You'll feel like a fancy chef without the student loans. Turnips and beets, the root roommates. Why plant turnips and beets in September? Because they're your fall MVPs. These roots love the chill and grow fast, so you get quick harvests and bonus leafy greens. Plus, cold temps make their flavor deeper and sweeter. It's like autumn turned them into gourmet food. Turnips and beets, the underdogs of fall gardening. Both grow fast, don't complain, and give you 2 crops in one: roots and greens. Pro tips: plant 1/2 inch deep, 2 to 4 inches apart. Thin early. I know it hurts, but it's for their own good. Beet leaves are great sautéed. Turnip greens are spicy and packed with nutrients. Mistakes to avoid: letting them grow too big. They'll go woody and bitter like your ex. Ignoring pests. Flea beetles love baby greens. Cover with row fabric if needed. Harvest pairing: roast beets with balsamic and feta. Turnips? Add to soups, or throw them at people who said you couldn't garden in fall. September growing tips. Want a thriving fall garden? Here's what actually works this time of year. Tip 1. Use the soil warmth. September soil is still holding on to that sweet summer heat, which means faster germination. Take advantage before it drops like your Wi-Fi during a thunderstorm. Tip 2. Keep it moist, but not weird. Fall air is cooler, but don't let that trick you. Your seeds still need consistent moisture to germinate. Think spa day, not flood zone. Tip 3. Mulch like you mean it. A light mulch helps regulate soil temp and keeps that moisture locked in. Plus, it's like giving your plants a little fall jacket. Cozy. Tip 4. Think in weeks, not months. Choose fast-growing crops like radishes or spinach, and stagger plantings. Succession planting, Iahuo's garden buffet, all season long. Tip 5. Use the strong Echo AI gardening app. It literally tells you what, where, and when to plant based on your location. No guessing. No Googling weird forums from 2011. September growing mistakes to avoid. Time to roast the top rookie moves so you don't make them. Mistake 1. Planting summer crops. If you're still putting in tomatoes or cucumbers, sorry, you're late. It's fall now, Karen. Plant like it. Mistake 2. Underwatering. Because it's cooler. Just because you're not sweating doesn't mean your seedlings aren't thirsty. Dry topsoil, Ilsa's dead dreams. Mistake 3. Ignoring days to maturity. Don't plant something that takes 100 days if your first frost is in 40. That's not optimism. That's garden fantasy land. Mistake 4. Planting in shade because it's cozy. Cool weather crops still need sun. Don't tuck your lettuce into the shadows like it's on timeout. Mistake 5. Skipping garlic mulch. Garlic without mulch is like a burrito without a tortilla. Sad, cold, exposed. How to plan ahead for the coming months. Why plan ahead now? Because future you deserves soup made from homegrown carrots, not frozen disappointment. Let's break it down. 1. Know your first frost date. This is the endgame clock. Google it. Check your local ag extension, or better yet, let the Strong Echo app tell you. Once you know the date, count backwards from it to figure out what still has time to grow. Example, if your frost date is Nov 15 and the crop matures in 50 days, you've got a shot, but only if you plant it now. 2. Plant in waves, succession planting. Don't drop all your seeds in one day like it's a panic sale at the garden center. Stagger your plantings weekly, especially for fast crops like radishes, spinach, and lettuce. This means you're still harvesting when other gardens are just compost piles. 3. Plant for spring now. September and October are garlic season. But you can also start thinking about overwintering onions, shallots, and even cold hardy greens in low tunnels. Plant now. Harvest like a legend in March or April. That's the long con of gardening, and it pays off. 4. Prep beds for winter. Even if you're not planting everything right now, prep the soil. Add compost. Pull weeds, top it with mulch. Let your garden rest like a pampered king so it's ready to go in early spring. September is the beginning of your fall and winter strategy, not the end of your summer season. Plan ahead, plant smart, and by the time your neighbors are panic buying bagged lettuce, you'll be harvesting it. Before you throw in the trowel for the year, remember, September is sneaky good for planting. This is your garden's bonus level. Don't waste it, you can grow it.